I'm here talking with Veronica. She's one of my pride and joys. She's gone through my yoga teacher training program. I've known her for a long time, and we've done a few private sessions. And she is a social worker, a proud mom of beautiful children, successful and happy. And I couldn't be more proud to know her. And I'm just here to ask her feedback about my work with her. So thank you, Veronica, for joining. So I'll let
Thank
you
you for
speak in
inviting
your
me.
own. Yes, absolutely. Thank you for your time. So go ahead and just express in your own words, maybe a little testimonial, if I may, kind of how you
Yes,
feel about our sessions. Uh-huh.
so I feel that I realized the other day when I was thinking about this that we've known each other for about 8 years now, which it
Wow.
doesn't feel like that, but we've known each other for about 8 years. And in that time, I feel very honored to have connected with you in the way that we have. I feel that it has been a life-changing experience for me. Um, when I first came to you, there was a lot of things that I was very unsure about, things that I was unfamiliar with within myself, things that I didn't know how to always cope with. And I feel that going through your yoga teacher training and then now with our private sessions that we've been doing, um, I feel like you are teaching me techniques that are healing not just me, but they will be healing for my children. So thank
Yeah.
you.
The honor is
Yes,
mine.
you're healing generations.
Mm. Well, I think one of the beautiful things about healing as a mother, you heal it for your mother, for your own ancestors before and the ancestors going forward. This is a
Yes.
beautiful work about energy healing, and I'm just so touched by your depth of your feeling and emotional maturity and this hard
Mhm.
work to do what it takes to to really show unconditional love for the children when we are willing to look inside of ourselves to really heal the deepest part of us, which is not always the easiest thing to do. So I'm so proud of you. Thank you for that. How do you feel about doing some deep inner child work within yourself with me? How has that made a difference?
Um, I am definitely becoming more aware of where my triggers come from. Inner child work is, like we said, it's something very deep and something that you have to be able to become vulnerable with. And so thank you for allowing me to feel that vulnerability with you. And I always feel unjudged when I'm in that state with you. So yes, the inner child work I feel over the course of our past few sessions has really allowed me to, like I said, not just look at myself for the way that I'm feeling now. It's also, I feel like, helping me know how to adjust some of the behaviors that maybe I need to adjust and look at a little bit differently. So I feel like you're not just helping me look at the perspective or the situations I'm going through. You're also helping me see where maybe I need to be checked in that situation.
Mhm.
So it's helping me look at myself a little differently as well.
Beautiful. Thank you. Which is very humbling, isn't it?
Yes, it
Up until then, it's like it's all their fault. And I'm like, oh, how am I
is.
contributing? So
Right,
there's
exactly.
comedy and humor is always a beneficial aspect of healing as well. Don't forget. Oh,
Yes.
goodness. It's good to see you laugh. How do you feel about, has my support between sessions have helped you? Like, you know how I'm always texting, like, how's it going?
Yes.
How are you? Listen to this audio, listen to that video. How's that going? Is it
It is,
helpful?
it's very helpful. Yes, thank you. I'm sure I'm not sure what it takes, for you to put that type of effort in, but no, thank you. For someone that's on the receiving end of that, it is very helpful to be like, wow, you
Mhm.
know, how am I doing right now? And then you kind of
Mhm.
scan yourself if you're not already doing that. And so I know that's what it does for me, when I see those messages. Sometimes I'm in the middle of something and then I'm like, oh, I have a text and I see it and I'm like, oh, how am I doing right now? It is a very good, it's just like that
Mhm.
little ding on your phone that helps you remind. So no, thank
Mhm.
you. And I know that it comes from a very warm and personal place from you. So I know it comes with love. So thank you for that.
Thank you. Of course, of course. Keeps you accountable, doesn't it?
It does.
Like, how am I holding my body? Am I breathing? Am I okay? Am I present? So that's great. That's great. Lastly, how do you feel? What would you like to say to other women who are listening to this very brief interview with you? Because I know that you have a lot of lady friends, your girlfriends, your community, and I know that you are eager to one day shine your light and help other women to also have this deep inner healing and support. How do you feel about maybe giving a message to others who are watching this?
I feel like the message, if you've heard nothing else that I've said, is if you are really, if you're really ready to do some speaking within yourself, or maybe not 100% ready, but just thinking about it, like I highly recommend Sarah for her services, because I know I've been able to connect with you on levels that I'm not, I'm just not an easy person to always connect with that way. And so I'm very grateful for you and the things, like I said, the healing that you are helping me with unconditionally. And so thank you. You are someone that is very easy to talk to, someone that I feel comfortable and unjudged whenever I open up with whatever I have going on. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's financial, whether it's emotional, whether it's with children. I've always felt comfortable coming to you and gaining those techniques, like I said, that you helped me to figure those things out on my own. There are things that you're teaching me, techniques that I feel are going to help heal me, and I believe are healing me and will help, like I said, generations to come. And that's the way that I do that. That's why I want to heal, because that is important to me.
Sweet. Thank you so much for that. I'm really happy to hear that I have been able to help. And yes, that sounds amazing. Thank you so much, because your message today is really going to help a lot of women who um, are not convinced, or they're not able to see yet how our inner work, our own shadow work, our own willingness to look inside ourselves can and indeed does change our world. It changes even the behavior of people who we're in intimate relationships with. It's really hard. It's a hard thing to convince. It's not a mental thing. You have to experience it. So your message will go a long way. Because if you want the world to change, we have to change. And it comes from our childhood and how we behave and how we feel, how our thoughts are, our belief system. So thank you a million times. Is there anything else you'd like to add, or we can just call it a day?
I would like to add that, like I said, I just highly recommend that if you feel like you need just anyone to talk to and you're just not sure and you want to feel unjudged, like I just can't recommend you and your heart enough to those
Oh,
women. Please, you're just a beautiful person to open up to. So
thank you
I just
so
highly
much.
recommend that.
I appreciate that so much. You know me for years. It's like this is what I love to do all day long. I want to help ladies get out of funk and really get their powers, and let's go have fun and heal
And
our
you do.
shit. Well, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure, Veronica. Thank you. I appreciate you. I hope you have an enjoyable evening with the children achieving their goals in their sports and everything else this summer. So, namaste. Thank you again, and I will be seeing you soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.